There are so many different types of frosting, but you just can't beat a classic American buttercream. So I wanted to share a few steps with you guys to ensure that you get a perfect consistency every time. And the first step is to start with top quality ingredients. I use C&H powdered sugar because it's very fine and provides an exceptionally smooth and silky texture when it's creamed with the butter. For the best flavor, go for a good quality butter and pure vanilla extract. For a fluffier texture, full-fat milk or cream is best, but any milk will work. The most important part is making sure that they're all at the right temperature, and since everyone's room temperature is slightly different, I recommend working between 70 and 72 Fahrenheit or 21 to 22 Celsius. You want the butter to be soft enough to be malleable, but not at all greasy. If it's warmer, you risk the buttercream being way too soft, which can be fixed with a little chill time. If it's colder, the butter will have a hard time mixing with the powdered sugar and it'll be really stiff, but can be thinned out with a little extra milk. Make sure the milk is also at room temperature. Too cold can curdle the butter, too warm can melt the butter, making the frosting too soft. The last thing to keep in mind is that mixing methods matter. I like to use a whisk attachment on my stand mixer because it makes the buttercream super light and fluffy. Notice using the whisk attachment also doesn't make a cloud of powdered sugar when you turn the mixer on, so there's no extra cleanup. Make sure to mix on low speed until all the sugar is incorporated and then increase the speed to medium-high for a few minutes until all the sugar feels dissolved and the buttercream is smooth. If you are decorating a cake or piping on cupcakes, you may want to remove the excess air bubbles from the buttercream. You can use a rubber spatula to spread the buttercream back and forth on the edge of the bowl or switch to a paddle attachment on the mixer and turn it to low speed for a few minutes. Now it's time to frost and decorate your cake. Well, actually, first we're going to have to taste it. Perfect.